Welcome to the final part of a two-part series on how to sell your home for top dollar for sale by owner. Hi, my name's Christine Lurie, real estate broker with At Properties. And in the last video, we reviewed 5 steps in order to get more money in your pocket by the end of the transaction process. Here are 5 more tips in order to do the same thing that people don't often think about when selling their home on their own that will benefit you in the home selling process. Number 6, remove or replace favorite items. If you plan on taking certain window coverings, built-in appliances, or fixtures with you, remove them prior to showing the house. If the chandelier in the dining room once belonged to your great-grandmother and you don't want to include it in the sale, be sure to take it down before a buyer sees it and asks it to be included in the house. Telling a buyer they can't have an item that appears with the house and enhances its appeal can hurt the sale. Number 7, make minor repairs. In some sellers markets, you can sell a home in lived-in condition without much complaint. But in a normal market or a buyer's market, repairs can make or break a sale, and many can be done affordably and will end up making you more money if they are done. You'll want to replace cracked floors or countertops and patch any holes in walls. Fix leaky faucets and doors that won't close properly, as well as kitchen drawers that jam. Consider painting walls neutral colors, especially if they're currently hot pink or purple. Don't give buyers any reason to remember your home as the one with the orange bathroom. Replace burnt out light bulbs and also consider replacing those that have been in service for a while. Avoid the potential of having a bulb blow out when you flip the light switch during a showing. It's a small incident that can be easily avoided if you are mindful. You want the buyer's experience to be as positive as possible. Throw open the curtains and blinds and turn on those lights. Houses show better when each room is clean and bright. Number 8, making the house sparkle. Preparing your home to be viewed by potential buyers may require hiring a professional cleaning crew. Cleaning may include washing windows inside and out, renting a pressure washer, or spraying down sidewalks and the exterior, recaulking tubs, showers, and sinks, and polishing chrome faucets and mirrors. Make sure all the dust is removed from under the furniture, in the cabinets, closets, and anywhere else it could be hiding. Try to maintain this cleanliness by vacuuming daily, waxing floors, dusting furniture, and keeping the bathrooms and kitchen spotless. Hang up fresh guest towels. Also, keep the toilet lid closed when it's not in use. Kitchens are a big selling point for many buyers, so keep yours as spotless and uncluttered as possible. In the event someone opens your refrigerator, make sure it appears clean and orderly. Above all, clean and air out any musty areas. The night before a showing, avoid cooking particularly odorous foods such as fish, garlic, curry, or cabbage. These smells can linger the day after. Also, if you have pets, monitor litter boxes and any other areas affected by pets. Number 9, scrutinize curb appeal. A potential sale is lost quickly if a buyer won't even get out of the car because the exterior of your home turns them off. Make the exterior more appealing and welcoming by painting your front door and perhaps adding a wreath of dried wildflowers or placing 1 or 2 flower pots on your front porch. Hire a landscaper to clean up your lawn and add a few shrubs or flowering plants. Consider hiring a contractor to fix any cracks on your front steps or walkway. Also, make sure visitors can clearly see your house number. Number 10, the final step. Back inside your home, linger in the doorway of each room and imagine how your house will look to a buyer. Examine how the furniture is arranged and rearrange pieces until the room achieves visual appeal. Make sure window coverings hang evenly, and once you've cleaned and gotten everything repaired and organized, you can begin staging your home. This is only the beginning of the for sale by owner process. Marketing is an entire process in and of itself. We have built great relationships with industry professionals that can assist with decluttering, cleaning, repairing, and staging so your home makes the best first impression to buyers. If you find you need assistance with this process, please give us a call. We would love to partner with you and give you the best possible outcome for your home sale. Again, this is Christine Lurie with At Properties, and as always, home is key to a happy life, so love where you live.